Good everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we are going to solve question on vernier caliper scale. In this episode of vernier caliper scale, they ask us to find the readings of this vernier caliper scale. Now, if you want to solve any question on vernier caliper scale, you have to remember two things. The first thing is that you have to know your main scale reading. While the other one is you have to know your vernier caliper scale reading. Vernier caliper scale reading or vernier scale reading. You have to know your vernier scale reading. Now, if you want to know your main scale reading, the number at the top here, or the readings at the top, is your main scale readings, while the reading below is your vernier scale readings. Now, how are you going to know the actual value on your main scale and actual value on your vernier caliper scale? Now, look at this numbering. The scale here starts from 0. After 0, the next number we have is 10. After 10, the next number we have is what? 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, to know your actual main scale reading, look at this line, this box. The first line of the first box here, this line, it denotes your what? Main scale reading. Now, where is the pointer for this line? This is the pointer. Here like this. This is your actual main scale reading. Now, if this interval from here to here is 10, now let's count the interval in between 0 and 10. After 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0 to here is 10. And it means that 10 divided by what? 5. 10 divided by 5 lines, which means what? 2. It means that each line represents 2 millimeter. Each unit of this line, they represent 2 millimeter. Now, let's check if we are right or wrong. If this line is 2, the next line is going to be 4, 6, 8, 10. Did you get this? The next line is going to be 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. It means that after 20, now let's check this pointer. We have 22, 24, 26. It means that our main scale is going to be what? 26 millimeter. In this case. Now, how are we going to know our vernier scale reading? For our vernier scale reading, you have to find something we call point of coincidence. Point of coincidence means where the main scale and the vernier scale, where they meet one another. That is your point of coincidence. For you to know the point of coincidence, you have to go back to the main vernier scale. Now, for the vernier scale, you have to look for where this line and this line here touches one another. Now, this line and this one, did they touch? No. Did they miss? No. Did they miss? No. No, no, no. But here, in this case, this line and this line, they meet one another. This is our point of coincidence for this one. This line is the point of coincidence, which denotes the actual value for the what? Vernier scale, which is 7. And for the vernier scale, you have to divide vernier scale by 100. It means that 7 divided by what? 100, which is 0.07. Now, the actual reading for this scale is going to be main scale plus vernier scale. When you divide the vernier scale by 100, is the value you are going to use. I mean, this value that you divided by 100 is the one you are going to use. It is going to be MS is 26 plus 0.07, and 26 plus 0.07 is going to be what? 26.07 millimeter. That is the answer for this one. If you have any other question that you want me to solve for you on vernier caliper, drop it in the comment section. Do well to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.